Hey everyone! Today we are diving into an absolutely groundbreaking paper from Google Research that could fundamentally change how AI models handle memory. Let's break down this fascinating new architecture called Titans. First, let's understand where we are now. Every major language model today, whether it's ChatGPT 4, Claude, or Gemini, uses the transformer architecture. While transformers revolutionized AI, they have a fundamental limitation. They struggle with long sequences of information. Even with Gemini's impressive 2 million token context window, there's still a core problem with how these models handle memory. This issue lies in what we call quadratic complexity. Basically, as you feed more information into the transformer, it becomes exponentially harder for it to process everything effectively. Think about trying to remember every detail from a book you just read. The longer the book, the harder it becomes to recall everything accurately. What makes Titan special is its completely new approach to memory. Instead of treating all information equally, it works more like human brain with different types of memory systems working together. Let me break this down. Core memory, this handles immediate processing like your working memory. Long-term memory, this stores important information over time. Persistent memory, this maintains fundamental knowledge about tasks. But here's the revolutionary part. Titans implements these during inference time, or what researchers call test time. This means the model is actively learning how to memorize while it's processing your input. Now here's my favorite part of the paper. The surprise mechanism, the researchers implemented something ingenious. The model pays special attention to information that surprises it. Let me explain with an analogy. When you are doing your daily commute, you probably don't remember most of your drive. But if something unexpected happens, like a car suddenly cutting you off, that moment stays vivid in your memory. Titans works similarly, automatically identifying and storing unexpected or important information. The paper presents three different ways to implement this memory architecture. Memory as context. Imagine having a perfect assistant who takes notes and whispers relevant information exactly when you need it. Memory as gate. Think of having two advisors, one focused on the present, one drawing from past experience. Memory as layer. This processes information through sequential memory filters. Each implementation has its own strengths and trade-offs, which makes Titans incredibly versatile. The results are remarkable. In benchmark tests, Titan consistently outperformed traditional transformers across multiple tasks. But what's truly impressive is its performance on the needle in a haystack tests, finding specific information in extremely long sequences. While GPT-4 and other models show declining performance with longer sequences, Titans maintains consistent accuracy even beyond the 2 million token mark. This is a game-changing capability for real-world applications. Think about what this means for practical applications. Processing entire medical histories without losing critical details. Analyzing decades of financial data in one go. Understanding complex scientific papers with perfect recall. Processing genomic sequence efficiently. The way Titans handles memory is fascinating. When something surprising occurs, it doesn't just memorize that moment. It also pays attention to the context around it. This is similar to how you might remember not just a surprising event, but also what happened just before and after it. The model uses what they call past surprise and momentary surprise metrics, allowing it to balance between immediate attention and long-term attention formation. Another brilliant aspect is how Titans implements forgetting. Just like human memory, it can't and shouldn't store everything. The model uses an adaptive forgetting mechanism that considers both the importance of information and available memory capacity. This architecture could represent the next major evolution in AI model design. Just as the original Transformer paper changed everything in 2017, Titans might mark the beginning of the new era of AI memory systems. The ability to efficiently handle extremely long contexts while maintaining high performance could unlock applications we haven't even imagined yet. The Titans paper represents a significant step forward to AI architecture design. By taking inspiration from human memory systems and implementing them in clever ways, Google research has potentially solved one of the biggest limitations in current AI systems. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting edge AI research. Let me know in the comments what you think about Titans and its potential impact on the future of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.